Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. It looks like we are starting the next leg up on Bitcoin dominance chart. You can see on a daily chart we are forming up some bullish divergence. On a 3-day chart too, you can see if we have a close in 2 days green here, I think we will go ahead and make a higher high soon, and my long-term target for Bitcoin dominance to act as a top is around 65%. I'm looking from 65 to 66 around this mid-range level of this upward channel. So that will indicate for me another leg down on Ethereum and especially alts. Alts will still be bleeding against Bitcoin. I think until mid-December at least. And another confirmation for this scenario for me is the USDT dominance chart. On a daily chart, you can see we are getting close to retest this 21 EMA level again. On a daily chart since this October 10 spike, you can see we have retested 50-week EMA, and 21 EMA has been acting as support. I think we will have a bounce again soon, and the next target for me is, as I said, around 7% area, and we will see some reaction maybe after the mid level of this weekly fair value gap. If we're gonna have another smash to the upside and we will violate the mid-range, that will definitely indicate to me that I think Ethereum won't update the all-time high if we do another that huge spike to the upside on this chart. But yeah, we will see, as I said, daily chart getting closer to the bottom, and we will see another leg up on USD dominance, and we need to make sure we follow this ATR based indicator as well to see whether we can form up some bearish divergence here so the markets can go up. On Ethereum wise, you can see, let me see the Ethereum liquidations. So yeah, we are currently at the mid-range of this huge liquidity pool. There is a chance that we can have one more leg up to grab another liquidity around 3,300. Possible, but I'm not sure about it because USDT dominance chart is getting too close to that level, and technically as well, yeah, we are slowly climbing to the upside, but this is a very low volume. If you look at the volume, it's very low volume, so looks like more of a short covering process than actual bidding. Of course, there is some spot bidding on Ethereum and on Bitcoin too, but you can see this small range orders are stacked here at 3,100 and to 2,900. I think we will see some movement soon after Thanksgiving week is gone, and next week we can see some movement, but I'm still bearish on Ethereum and especially on alts, because as I said before, Bitcoin dominance will start most probably its next leg to the upside. But you can see funding rate is negative on Binance and on Ethereum, and on Bitcoin it is very close to zero. So it remains to be seen how this will develop. But as I said, I think we're gonna have another leg to the downside. I'm not sure whether we will have a lower low or double bottom or higher low. I think it's all will be decided by Bitcoin. So Bitcoin can make a lower low and drag down Ethereum as well. Um, on the fear and greed index throughout the market is still extreme fear, but put to call ratio on options, you can see have its first correction after this huge run, and I will expect to have some kind of distribution here, maybe double top, and we have some rally into FOMC maybe on December 10, and after that we will see. Volatility, very importantly, volatility, you can see. Um, it had crashed again. It looks like a double top here from 29, basically 23.3, 28.3, and I want to see the reaction on the VIX at 20 level. If we're gonna um, uh, reject 20 level for the next retest, I think that will indicate the Santa rally to come. But if we're gonna have another leg to the upside and we're gonna have 20 as support, it means we are going to close this daily imbalance around 33%. But I think it is less likely, in my opinion, we'll retest 20 area or even violate above 21, 22, and then we have another crash. Volatility is looks like getting compressed again, and that will indicate for me another short squeeze in the traditional markets, and of course some liquidity grab on Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. So my speculation is currently one more leg down maybe on Bitcoin, Ethereum, short-term leg down, a double bottom or lower low maybe on Bitcoin, and then we'll have another leg to the upside to try to target yearly open, which is a huge liquidity pool at this area because it's also a mid-range of this area, which was never mitigated. So yeah, let's wait to see what's gonna bring us next week. Have a good one. Thank you.